Good morning everybody. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about the prepositions. Okay? Prepositions of position. So today the word is between, and actually all of you know that between is used between two persons or two things. We all of you know this, isn't it? Between is used between two persons or two things or two places. And the next also, it is used to connect time or connect the numbers. Through examples I will show it. It is also used to connect time and also to connect the numbers. And next is, it is also used, this preposition also used for people or thing or places considered as separate, distinct. That means when we talk about a specific thing or specific place or specific people, I mean when we individually distinct, when we individually divide about any specific thing, place or people, we use between, and hope it will be very nice if I explain it through examples. See here, preposition of position, between. It is generally used when two person or things. It is used with two persons or two things or two places also, or places. Two persons, two things or places. And here you see, for example, he stood between the two boys, whether it may be two boys or two trees or whatever it may be. When the connection is between two, we use between. Okay, he stood between two boys or two girls or between two houses or between two trees, like that way. When it is between two persons or two things, so he stood between two boys. That's why as it is two, the two number shows clearly. The number 2 shows clearly, we should use between. Next is, the two lions fought between themselves. See here also the two number shows clearly that we have to use between here, because number is 2, not more than 2. If it is more than 2, we use among. Okay, if it is more than 2, we use among. But there are some rules. Whenever we see more than 3 places, more than 3 people, also we can use between. That it has its own rule. And now let us go. We can use between to connect time or number. As I told you, we can use between to connect time or to connect the numbers also. Example, what were you doing between 4 p.m. and 6 p.m.? See, here it is the connection of time. Okay, connection of time. So from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. 4 p.m. and when we use between, we should use 4 p.m. and 6 p.m. See, between, whenever it is used, we have to use 4 p.m. and 6 p.m. not 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. It is wrong. So whenever between is used, and is used. Whenever and is there, we used between. So what were you doing between 4 p.m. and 6 p.m.? And in the same way, it is also used to connect the number. That is, this is time, here is the number. They lived in India between, showing the number, how much? 1986 and 1999. Whether it may be 1999 or whether it may be 2001 or 2000. So here it shows the connection, to connect the time or number. Between is also used to connect the time, period of time. Okay? Okay? The next is used for things, persons considered as separate, distinct. Separate, distinct means when we talk about a specific thing, place or people, that means individual, distinct. As talking about specific thing, place or people, that means when we talk the individual name or person or place individually, when we talk about a thing, person or place, we use between. For example, there is a kabaddi match. There is a kabaddi match between Adilabad, Nizamabad and Warangal teams. See, specific thing, specific distinction, individual names, Adilabad, Nizamabad, and whenever you see and in a sentence, we have to use between. Okay, whenever we see and, okay, we use between. See here separate, we have separated the places. So individually we are talking individual places, about the places. There is a kabaddi match between Adilabad, Nizamabad and Warangal teams. So as we are talking individual district, individual names, as we took the individual names, we use between. And one more clue is there. If there is and in a sentence, we have to use between. Okay. Next is, there is a disagreement on the issue. There is a disagreement on the issue between, okay, there is a disagreement on the issue between Mohan, Venu and Nisha. See, individual names. Here also individual names. So as we talk about a specific people, we are talking about a specific people, we use between. So there is a disagreement on the issue between particular persons, isn't it? So we use like this way. And with the words, there are some other examples. When we see choose, connect, when we choose connection, differentiation, or divide, distinction, relation in the sentence, and in that sentence also between takes. Between takes in a sentence, between takes in a sentence, whenever we see choose, divide, differentiate, connection, distinguish, link and relationship. So whenever we see these words in a sentence, we use between. For example, I did not want to choose. Whenever you see choose, we use between. Choose between. Okay. Whenever you see the word choose, we use between. I did not want to choose between the dancers. Here dancers means more than two. So actually we confuse. As it is dancers, they didn't mention the number. Dancers means more than two. So we use so we write among. No. Choose is, whenever we see choose is followed with between. Okay. Choose, then between. Okay. Choose between. I did not want to choose between the dancers. Choose between. So choose take the preposition between. Understand? And the same way, divide also take the preposition between. Differentiate, connection, distinguish, link, relation. All these words take the preposition between, not among. For example, you see, her money was divided between her brother and sister. If it is brothers and sisters also, divided, as it is divided, as it is divided, as it is divided, we use the preposition between. Okay. As it is divided, always divided, divide or divide, this word takes the preposition between. Okay. All these words take the preposition between. Next is there any difference? Is there any difference between brothers? See, difference word, this word also take the preposition between. Is there any difference between brothers? Brothers means they may be two or more than two, but the word difference, wherever the word difference is there, the difference take the preposition between. Difference between. Okay. Difference between, divided between, choose between, connection between, link between, relationship between, like that way. Next is sorry, there is no connection. See, the word connection takes the preposition between. There is no connection between. Connection always take the preposition between. There is no connection between all the incidents. There is no connection between all the incidents. See, incidents means it may be more than two. But why we took between? Because always connection. Always connection. The word connection take the preposition between. Okay. There is no connection between all the incidents. And in the same way, next one, let us see the next one. There is a strong link. See, link. link, relationship, divide, differentiation, choose, all these words. Link, this take the preposition between. Okay, there is a strong link between this clean water pipe and those pipes. Those other pipes means there may be number of pipes, more than 2 pipes. So the word link, whenever we see the word link in the sentence, it takes between as a preposition. It takes the word between as their preposition, not among. Okay, so for all these words, choose, divide, differentiate, connection, and distinguish, link, relationship, all these words take between preposition. Okay, hope all of you understood. Thank you for watching my video. Please go on practicing. The preposition between and among is somewhat confusing, so you please try to know the rules, and according to the rules you please fill the blank with between or among or whatever it may be. Please practice more and more. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next class.